Woo-wee. What the heck are you? That's a walleye. Well, it's an early morning on the river. The water is a little bit up. It's flowing pretty good, and we're gonna go multi-species. We only have 2.5 hours to fish today, so we're gonna throw some big stuff, some small stuff, some Cincos, some Ned rigs, and then move on to some ultralight, see if we can catch some rock bass. So follow along and let's see what we can catch. So the water is moving pretty good. We've got some eddies right around in here and right down in this area over here. Usually catch some fish, smallmouth here, and then a little bit farther down, rock bass. We get some rock bass up here and some smallmouth right about in here. So we're gonna start off by throwing a Z-Man TRD Ned rig. This usually does pretty good. Right now I'm throwing this on a 13 fishing Walley black with a Lose Mock spinning reel. I'm probably throwing about 10 pound, 15 pound braid. It's early morning, like I said, I only got 2.5 hours to fish, so we're gonna see what we can catch. So there's a dam upstream from here, which kind of throws a lot of this water into a commotion and generates some good foam. That's why you see all these floaters. Current under the surface is pretty quick, so my Ned rig has already made it a good distance downstream. It's pretty chill, about probably 55 degrees out. It's gonna warm up to about 70 today. Oh, we got one already, first cast. And it's a rock bass. How did I know that was gonna happen? Yeah, he kind of hit it, but kind of started flowing with the current. There we go. First fish. Good sized rock bass. He's fat, man. He's got some chunk to him. There he goes. First fish. All right. I don't know if it's a good sign or bad sign, but first cast, first fish. All right. Yeah, so this current is taking this thing quick. Yeah, we're right back through that rock bass section. Got him. Another little rock bass. Now, go find your bigger cousins. I want to catch a smallmouth. It's a smaller one, a little chunker. They are fat here, man. Oh, another rock bass. Seriously, if I just put it in that little hole, I think I could probably catch about 15 of these things. This one gobbled this one up. There you go, buddy. Get out of here. Oh, another fish. I think this one's a smallmouth. Definitely fighting. Oh, some good runs. It's not a rock bass. Yeah. That's a good smallie. Oh. Whoo-wee. That'll do. All right. Nice smallmouth. Come on. Open up. Do I got you in the bottom lip? I think I hooked both of his lips together. Can't even get my finger in there. There we go. Yep. There we go. Probably good 14, 15 inch. Looks like they're spawning. This one's got red beat up tail. Good fish. Whew. Got exactly what I was hoping. Finally got a smallmouth. Yeah, just slow rolling that Ned rig. Well, that's nice. Now we caught 2 species. I doubt we're gonna catch any more. Not with what we're throwing currently. Oh, another bite. Another fish. This one's probably another smallmouth. Oh, it came off. Should have set the hook a little bit better. Sometimes these get a little bit bent out, these hooks, so one of the things that I'll do sometimes is try to bend these back in. This spot's really nice because of the amount of eddies that are around this this bend. So within 1, 2, 3, and then 4, there's kind of 4 different spots where the water slows down, and depending on where you cast in and how quick you reel in, you can hit each one of them pretty easily. And the fish just kind of seem to stack up here because they can't really go just around the bend up ahead. There's not much further they can go because of the dam, so they're kind of swimming upstream. They stage here. A little bit farther downriver is more of a shallow, rocky bottom where they're kind of cruising, and you can catch quite a few. Down in that rock bass territory right now. Let it drift. Let it drift a little too far. Oop. This one might be a smallmouth. Well, we'll see. No, big rock bass. Man, they're chunky here, man. Let's let this one go. There we go. Another little rocky. There you go, buddy. We'll switch over to craw in a little bit. I know the smallmouth love the craw. This craw is not doing what I thought it would do. I thought that this would match the hatch. Well, smallmouth are not biting the way I want them to, so I'm switching over to a Donkey Tail Junior caramel color with a 1/64 ounce little jig on my ultralight rod, which is just a Bass Pro Shops graphite series. I think on 2 or 4 pound test, I don't remember, but I have a feeling that we are going to catch a bunch of rock bass and have a rock bass party. Got one. Got one. Rock bass. Some good sized rock bass here. Yeah, a donkey tail. I think they probably like it in a green pumpkin a little bit better. I think this caramel color is not exactly what they're looking for, because they should be biting a lot faster than this. All right, switching off of the ultralight and over back to the Ned rig for a bit. So far we've had the most success there. Trying to go for one last smallmouth. We got about 45 minutes left. Nope, 40 minutes left. So we're switching over back to the Ned rig, the TRD, and let's see if we can get a little something. Well, we broke off on that one, and looks like it's 25 minutes till we gotta get out of here. So we're gonna switch over to the craw. Craw is already rigged. Oh yeah, finally. Oh, that's a better fighting fish. Where are you, buddy? Where are you? Felt him nibbling, set that hook. Come on, where are you? Where are you? Ooh, getting some good pulls here. Woo-wee. What the heck are you? That's a walleye. Oh, walleye. I did not expect a walleye. Not bad. Woo. Did not expect to catch that. Whew. All right. Well, that's probably about a 16. No, it's more than that. 16, 17-inch walleye. Yeah, did not expect, but they're coming up from the river, so nice. The big river up into the smaller rivers. Let's get this guy out of here. Whoa. You can go. There you go. Whew. First time I caught a walleye here. It is a multi-species day. Well, who would have thought? I did not expect that fish. Yeah, he ripped the crap out of my lure. And man, yeah, he must have been just got him on the outside of the mouth. So that's a bunch of rock bass, one smallmouth, and a walleye for today. I did not think a walleye would be part of my multi-species, but I won't complain. Well, it was the first time out on the river this year. Decided to go for multi-species, caught probably 8 or 9 rock bass, one smallmouth, and that weird walleye that I did not expect. Probably about 17, 18 inches long. Should have weighed it, but those things scare me a bit. It's been about 20 years since I caught a walleye, but had a good day. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks.